Hello friend, welcome to Free Engineering Knowledge. Today we will look at what is a one-way, two-way and intermediate switches, and how it works. If you have not yet subscribed to the Free Engineering Knowledge channel, subscribe before watching the video. Let's go into the video. One-way switch. What is a one-way switch? A one-way switch basically operates as a make or break switch. When it is turned on, the two terminals are connected, and when it is turned off, the contact between the two is broken. Let's see how it works. Look at the lamp attached to the one-way switch. When the switch is turned on, you can see it touching both of its contact points, so the light is turned on. Two-way switch. What is the two-way switch? A two-way light switch is a switch that can be used in conjunction with another two-way light switch to turn a light on and off from more than one location. The one-way switch had only two terminals. But two-way switches have three terminals. Let's see how it works. Similarly, a circuit must be fitted with two two-way switches. The two-way switch mounting system can be seen in the picture. Two-way switches have no on-off. Instead, they act as way 1, way 2. When switch 1 on the mounted circuit is activated, the lamp starts to light up. The lamp will turn off when switch 2 is activated. Thus the light bulb is controlled by two switches. Intermediate switch. What is the intermediate switch? Intermediate switches are used for when there are three switches or more controlling one light. We saw that the two-way switches have three terminals. But these have four terminals. Let's see how it works. Two two-way switches should be used when using intermediate switches. The intermediate switch mounting system and the operating system can be seen in the picture. You can use any number of intermediate switches between the two-way switches. This switch is used on the stairs of multi-story buildings. If you found this video useful, please like it. Also, subscribe to the Free Engineering Knowledge channel. Thank you.